Looking for the best way to cook those chicken drumsticks on your barbecue? Then it's the video for you. And don't forget, if you use the video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get those barbecue products. Make sure you check those out at the end of this video. Hi Weber fans, welcome back to the channel. So today's video, we're going to be checking out a better way to cook your chicken drumsticks. Now with the barbecue, I find I do struggle if I've got around 12 chicken drumsticks to get on that rack. And if they slip over the edge of that rack, they tend to get burnt or charred on the edge. So today we're going to be checking out the RTT chicken leg rack with a drip tray. So let's get this unboxed and do a first cook with it. Right, so we've got the RTT chicken leg foldable rack. It's all made of stainless steel, so we've got a drip tray. This you can put veggies on or a few peppers below your chicken. Got spaces for at least 12 chicken drumsticks on the top. You haven't got the direct heat from the grill that's going to burn your chicken drummers. Right, and then when you're not using this, obviously it's going to be dishwasher safe. It's flip it over, press those in, and you can fold it down and store it with your barbecue accessories. So what we're going to do is flavour some chicken drumsticks up, get them on this rack and see how good it works. Also, we've got some fresh chicken drumsticks. We're going to baste these with some olive oil first, then we're going to season them with some Weber Greek seasoning. So this is a great addition for lamb, chicken or beef recipes. So check that out, it will be in the link in the description below. Don't forget, if you're using the video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get those barbecue products. Make sure you check those out at the end of this video. As you can see, those chicken drumsticks turned out superb. I found cooking them with the RTT rack kept all the moisture in those chicken drummers. A lot of the fat drained away, but you still got that flavour and moisture in those drumsticks, making them absolutely delicious. Now, one thing I would recommend when using this, if you put a smoker packet in there, it will work fantastic to infuse some smoke into those chicken drummers, upping the flavours in them tremendously. Now, if you've got a barbecue like me, use the RTT drumstick rack. You're going to have to use it with the rotisserie surround. The lid won't shut with this, it is a little bit high. Is it worth the investment? I think if you've got a medium Q or a family Q, then it's well worth the investment. If you've got a barbecue with a rotisserie, then yes, it is worth it. Your chicken drummers don't tend to get that char on them. So if you're contemplating getting one of these for your family Q or your medium Q or even your barbecue if you've got a rotisserie, then I'll put a link down below to this. RTT do some fantastic cooking accessories for your grills. Now, for those of you struggling to clean that barbecue, check out this video next. And for those of you struggling with your Weber Q not heating up correctly, check out this video next. So thanks for watching, happy grilling, and I'll catch you in the next one.